Some of the most important climate heroes, surprisingly, aren't always in labs. Instead, they're scaling wind turbines and carefully navigating vast solar farms. These dedicated renewable energy technicians are the hands-on experts, diligently keeping our clean energy running smoothly. Their crucial work is a blend of high-tech troubleshooting, physical grit, and a very real-world impact. Today, we'll reveal what they actually do each day, the essential skills they need, and why their vital role is crucial in the global shift to sustainable power. Ready to see what it truly takes to power the planet? Imagine your day beginning before the sun even thinks about peeking over the horizon. It's a lifestyle, not just a job. The first task? A meticulous check of the turbine control dashboard, a digital nerve center displaying a wealth of real-time data. You're looking for anything out of the ordinary, any sign that one of these giants isn't performing at its peak. When a wind turbine underperforms, even slightly, it's your mission to figure out why. Every lost kilowatt impacts the grid. So, you grab your gear, double-check your safety harness, and prepare for the ascent. You climb hundreds of feet, a vertical journey into the sky. Reaching the top, you're greeted by a breathtaking view, but there's no time to sightsee, it's time to diagnose the issue. Inside the nacelle, the heart of the turbine, it's a different world. Gears, generators, and complex electronics surround you. Here, you use a combination of cutting-edge digital tools and good old-fashioned hands-on skill. Your tablet displays schematics and diagnostic data, while your hands deftly manipulate tools and components. It's a process of elimination, a puzzle to be solved. You pinpoint and fix problems with precision and care. Maybe it's a faulty sensor sending incorrect data and disrupting the turbine's energy output, or perhaps it's a more complex mechanical issue. Whatever the cause, every repair you make translates directly into more clean, sustainable power flowing into the grid, powering thousands of homes and businesses. The job demands physical strength and stamina. It's also highly technical, requiring a deep understanding of mechanics, electronics, and data analysis, and it's always changing as technology evolves. Meticulous documentation is key. You carefully record every action, every reading, every repair. This data is then analyzed, helping to predict future issues and optimize turbine performance. Your efforts contribute directly to keeping the entire system running smoothly and efficiently, maximizing energy production. As the day draws to a close and the sun begins its descent, painting the sky with vibrant colors, you look out and see the turbines spinning gracefully against the horizon. And you know with absolute certainty that you've made a tangible difference in the world, contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable future. What does it truly take to succeed as a renewable energy tech in this evolving field? Mechanical and electrical know-how is absolutely essential, but so is digital fluency, a key skill in today's world. Diagnostic software, drones, and AR technologies are increasingly part of the job. Teamwork and clear communication skills are critical for maintaining safety and ensuring efficiency. A safety-first mindset truly sets the top candidates apart. Employers want people who are reliable, adaptable, and are always learning new things. If you're curious, tech-savvy, and thrive while working in a team, then you're definitely on the right track. Now, let's be upfront. A career in renewable energy isn't just another job, it's a calling that demands dedication and resilience. This job isn't for everyone. It requires a specific kind of person, someone who's not afraid of a little hard work and a lot of responsibility. It's physically demanding, requiring you to be in good shape and able to handle the rigors of the job. You'll be lifting heavy equipment, working in awkward positions, and spending long hours on your feet. Often outdoors, exposed to the elements, whether it's scorching sun, biting wind, or pouring rain. You need to be prepared for anything Mother Nature throws your way. And sometimes at dizzying heights, scaling wind turbines or solar arrays, hundreds of feet above the ground. A head for heights is definitely a plus. Schedules can be unpredictable, with the possibility of being called out at any time to deal with emergencies or unexpected maintenance issues. And travel to remote sites is common, meaning you might spend a lot of time on the road, away from home. These installations are often located in isolated areas, far from the comforts of city life. But the rewards are big. The sense of accomplishment, the knowledge that you're making a difference, and the satisfaction of contributing to a sustainable future. Strong job growth, with the renewable energy sector expanding rapidly and creating new opportunities all the time. Competitive pay, reflecting the specialized skills and knowledge required for the job. you'll be fairly compensated for your hard work and dedication, and no 4-year degree required, with many entry-level positions available to those with vocational training or certifications. Most importantly, you'll have a direct impact on building a cleaner future, helping to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and protect the planet for generations to come. If you crave hands-on work, getting your hands dirty and working with real equipment, high-tech challenges, constantly learning new skills and working with cutting-edge technology, and a sense of purpose, knowing that your work is making a positive difference in the world, this could be your calling, a chance to contribute to something bigger than yourself, to be part of a movement that's changing the world. The challenges are real, the work is demanding, and the conditions can be tough. But so is the satisfaction, the pride, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with knowing you're making a difference. Are you ready for the adventure? Are you ready to join the ranks of those who are building a cleaner, more sustainable future? The rise of artificial intelligence has sparked many questions about the future of work. One common question is, will AI replace renewable energy technicians? Will these sophisticated algorithms and machine learning models make human expertise obsolete in the field of clean energy? Not a chance. While AI will undoubtedly transform the industry, it won't eliminate the need for skilled technicians. AI helps predict problems, offering insights into equipment performance and potential failures before they occur. It's a powerful tool for optimizing operations, but human skills, problem solving, the ability to think critically and find creative solutions when unexpected issues arise, adaptability, the capacity to adjust to changing conditions and new technologies, and hands-on expertise, the practical knowledge and skills needed to maintain and repair complex systems, are irreplaceable. These are the qualities that set human technicians apart. The best techs embrace new tools, leveraging technology to enhance their capabilities and improve efficiency. Keep learning, staying up to date with the latest advancements in renewable energy technology, and grow into roles like site manager, overseeing operations and ensuring the smooth functioning of renewable energy facilities, remote diagnostics, using technology to monitor and troubleshoot equipment from a distance, or safety trainer, educating others on best practices and ensuring a safe working environment. This career offers stability, providing a secure and reliable source of income, growth, opportunities for advancement and professional development, and a chance to shape the future of energy. You'll be at the forefront of a rapidly growing industry. If you want a job that's dynamic, offering new challenges and experiences every day, meaningful, contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable future, and future-proof, ensuring long-term career prospects in a growing field, this is it. What else do you want to know about becoming a renewable energy technician? Let us know below. We're here to answer your questions and guide you on your path to a rewarding career in renewable energy.